Struggling to bring your dream home to life on a screen? Let's dive into RoomSketcher. Renowned for its intuitive interface, it's your go-to if you're seeking a quick and easy way to create 2D floor plans and visualize your space in 3D, perfect for homeowners and beginners. RoomSketcher allows you to drag and drop furniture, adjust wall sizes, and experiment with layouts without a steep learning curve. Notice how simple it is to add walls, windows, and doors. RoomSketcher excels at generating clear and concise visuals, making it ideal for basic design projects and space planning. Now, let's explore SketchUp. This software offers powerful and versatile 3D modeling capabilities. SketchUp is favored by professionals for its detailed architectural designs. With SketchUp, you can create intricate models, customize every detail, and achieve stunningly realistic renders. However, be prepared for a steeper learning curve. Ultimately, the best home design software depends on your project needs and skill level. RoomSketcher is perfect for straightforward designs, while SketchUp unlocks a world of possibilities for those ready to delve into advanced 3D modeling.